What's up everybody, welcome. In this tutorial I'm gonna talk to you guys about dropping our tables. For dropping our table, let's first of all create one demo table and let's just drop it. I will click here create table and let's just give a name drop underscore table. Okay, this is just a basic name, or if you confuse here, let's just call this demo underscore table. Okay guys, I will come here and I will say this table will have ID. It will be primary key, not null, and auto increment. Okay, let's just write here name and I will write one more surname. Okay guys, all of this is varchar and I will make this not null and not null. Let's just click here apply. You can see we've talked about this. We said if you want to create your table, if you want to make this so quick, you click here create table and your MySQL workbench in the background will create this SQL code for you. Okay, but I will copy this code from here. I will say cancel and I will say cancel again, do not save. Let's create here SQL. I will pass the same code to here. Okay, let's just click run and my table is created here. Let's click here. You can see this is demo table. Okay, ID, name, and surname. I will not enter here. Actually, I will not fill this. Let's just fill. I will say here Peter and Jackson, ID is 1. Okay, let's just click apply, and finish. Okay guys, let me show you now how we can drop this table. We have two options like always. You can come here, demo table, you can just right click and you can say this drop table. Okay, after clicking here, you can drop now or you can review SQL. You can write here also this drop table demo.demo.table, but I will do this by myself. I will remove this from here. I will say drop table. You should name the table that you want to drop. I will say demo underscore table and my semicolon. Before writing this, let me show you one thing. I will write here describe, not like this. I will say describe and demo underscore table. Okay, let's just make this comment line. I will click here and you can see actually nothing happened here. I said demo table because I wrote here DMM. I should write demo table. Let's click again. You can see this is my table. ID, name, and surname is my field. Type is integer. Name, type of name is varchar, and surname is also varchar. And no one can be null. And just we have one primary key, and that is ID. You can see when I say describe demo table, I can see this. But let me remove this code from here. And I will come here. I will write like this. Okay. After saying drop table, if you want to just run this, you should choose this. You should click this. You can see your table is gone from here. You can see, guys, I just choose this and I said I just want to run this SQL. I don't want to run this SQL. If you just like this, if you just click here, you will run both of them by default. But if you choose just one of them and if you click here, you will see you drop just this. Okay, after seeing this, let's just remove because we've already dropped this table, and let's try to describe demo underscore table. If I click here, I will see kind of like of error, because let's see what error say. Drop table, or actually it is describe table error code table demo underscore table doesn't exist. You can see this is my error code 1, 1, 4, and 6. Let's just clear this. If I click again, I will see the same error. Table doesn't exist because you just drop this table, and that is why you cannot write here describe, because your table is dropped. Okay, so guys, I said we have two options. One of them is click here drop table and just click here drop now, or review SQL. We can review this SQL like this: drop table demo.employee. Okay, that's how you can drop your tables with two ways. So guys, I think we're done here. Let's finish this lesson here. Let's see you in the next tutorial.